I'm Laetitia Maklouf, and in this video I'm going to show you how to plant paper white daffodils in a vase. They have the most intoxicating scent. Now, paper whites are some of the easiest and quickest bulbs to get to flower indoors. They're beautiful white daffodils and they will brighten up even the dullest of winter days. All you need for this project is some paper white narcissi bulbs, a vase or sealed container, a pair of gloves and some gravel. First, fill your vase or container 2/3 with gravel or pebbles. Place the bulbs out evenly, making sure that the pointy end faces upwards, and place the bulbs in so that they are stable and sitting at the same level. Make sure you wear gloves for this part, as the bulbs can irritate your skin. Fill the vase or glass bowl as tightly as you like, and now you can add water until the water reaches just beneath the base of the root. The beauty of this system is that there's no guesswork involved. You can see exactly where the water line is and keep the vase topped up accordingly. Put the finished container somewhere cool and out of direct sunlight. When growth appears, move the paper whites somewhere sunnier and warmer to get them flowering. When they're up and flowering, move them back somewhere colder to make them last longer. Now, after 4 to 6 weeks, your paper whites are going to flower, and I promise you they'll be the best remedy for post-Christmas and New Year blues.